Morning, dear student. So, I welcoming you all online session 2020-21. So, children, today we will see poem Rain in Summer. This one is lovely and very nice poem. So, let us start this poem Rain in Summer. So, first of all, I am reading this poem. You all listen it carefully, and I hope you all enjoy this poem. So let's start. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain, how it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane it pours and swift and wide, with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars. The rain, the welcome rain. So children, rain in summer means rain and barish. Summer means garmi. So garmi ki barish. Okay. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat. In the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. So children, in this poem, the poet wants to show his excitement and the happiness when the rain comes after a long summer time. Here we can say through the poet's happiness, the happiness of nature and all the human beings and animals are expressed. The poem becomes universal in its though and the theme. In the very first paragraph of the poem, the poet welcomes rain and describes how it is falling in every place. To the rain, there is no boundary and difference between a narrow lane and a broad street. Actually, it is not partial to anything. It is giving pleasure to each and every one of the universe. Because of the heat of the summer, all the streets are become fiery and hot. And after a long time, when rain comes, it becomes very beautiful and pleasant. That's why the poet emphasizes on the line, how beautiful is the rain. So In the second paragraph, how it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoops, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. So, children, in the second paragraph, the poet elaborates the sound of the rain. The poet elaborates the sound of the rain. When it is falling down, it sounds like the hoof of the horse. Not only that, as it is a heavy rain, it looks like that it is struggling to coming out from spot. So here in this paragraph, he is continuing describing the sound and the movement of the rain. He says, when it is falling across the window pane, it is quite swift and white, and the water is completely muddy. And when it is flowing through the gutter, it looks like a stream with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars. So, in this paragraph, across the window pane, it pours and swift and white with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars. The rain, the welcome rain. So here in this paragraph, the poet continuing describing the sound and the movement of the rain. When it is falling across the window, it is quite swift, and the water is completely muddy, and when it is flowing through the gutter, it looks like a stream with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars. So, in the last paragraph, the poet describes how pleasant and comfortable this rain is to the sick people who are compelled to stay in there for their health. He can feel the pleasure of the rain. He can feel the pleasure of the rain. He can see the twisted rocks. Though he is ill from inside, he can feel the calmness of the rain inside out. The basic idea of the poem is that after a long hot weather, rain is like a blessing. It can create a soothing effect even on a sick person. Everything is getting calm, and everybody is feeling the pleasure of the rain. Okay children, so this one is very nice and interesting poem. So let us see meaning of new word. Fiery, burning hot. Hoof, walk noisily. Spout, mouth. Tide, rising and falling of water. Clatter, meaning loud sound. Gushes, meaning flows out with force. Swift, meaning very fast. Gutter, a channel carrying of rain water. Once again we will see what meaning. Fiery, meaning burning or hot. Hoof, meaning walk noisily. Spout, meaning mouth. Tide here meaning is rising and falling of water. Clatters here meaning is loud sound. Gushes here meaning is flows out with force. Swift, very fast. Gutter, a channel carrying of rain water. So children, now we will see page number 89, true or false. So let us see true or false. Listen children, whether the statement given below are true or false. We will find out which one is true and which one is false. So let's start this page number 89. The rain is beautiful. Yes, true, the rain is beautiful. It is raining in winter. False, it is rain in summer. Third one, the rain does not make any noise. The rain does not make any noise. This one is false. Fourth one, the rain falls after the dust and heat. This one is true. Yes, the rain falls after the dust and heat. The rain is not welcome. This one is false. The rain is not welcome. This one is false. The rain is welcome. Okay, so this one is the question answer. Now we will see match the word to the names of sound they make. Okay, rain, duck, thunder, bees, door. So we will see this match the following: rain, patter, duck, quack, thunder, roar, bees, Fourth one bees, buzz. Fifth one door, creak. Okay. So this one is the match the words to the names of sounds they make. So here opposite also, write the opposite of the following words: narrow, broad, swift, slow, beautiful. Opposite is ugly. And this one is heat. Heat opposite is, yes, cold. So add two rhyming words of the following: roof, hoof, poof, pain, vein, bane, white, sight, tight, rain, pain, train. So this one is your poem and poem exercise. So this one is nice poem, children. So please read it once again and see the word meaning. Okay, word meaning here, opposite also, true false also. Okay, so thank you, children.